Using an iOS device, simply download Hitomi Glass app from App Store. It's completely free. Like the slate of a clapperboard, you can change the text to be anything you want. And you do that by going into the menus. Now, if you look here, you click on the settings. You can change the text to be whatever you want it to say. Frame the QR code in the camera to fill the shot by approximately a half. We need to see the corners of the device as well as the QR code. The person watching the analyzer in the MCR will see green circles on the corners of the phone on the monitor. Make sure that the QR code is in focus and that there's sufficient contrast between black and white in the video being viewed. Remember to have the sound on for lip sync measurements. Do that here. But this can be off for latency measurements. There is a level indicator which vibrates when it's wonky. You can see, look, that's wonky, and you can see the level indicators. You do need to keep the microphone really close to the phone, but you don't have it on too loud because it can saturate at the desk.